Recogniform Reader is a powerful and customizable data capture software, available as single-station or client-server application, or SDK. Recogniform Reader allows to extract any kind of data from any kind of document. Thanks to the integrated recognition features, Recogniform Reader is able to capture printed text, handwritten text, checkboxes, linear and bidimensional barcodes, CMC7 and E13B codelines, OCR-A and OCR-B printed text. Recogniform Reader can capture data from structured documents, and from unstructured, or semi-structured documents. A structured document is a document with a fixed layout. All fields are always in the same position, therefore we can map the document, setting specific recognition zones. Some common structured documents are questionnaires and surveys, school paper tests, loyalty card request forms, production schedule sheets, standard contracts, census forms, ballot papers, identity documents. A non-structured or semi-structured document is a document with a variable layout. This means that we can refer to a class of documents, instead of a specific document. For example, common unstructured documents are invoices, customers' orders, shipping documents, account balances, contracts, letters and faxes, and any other external document. With these kind of documents, the zonal approach is not longer useful, since we do not have any positional knowledge about the information we are looking for. Therefore, we need to switch from a zonal to a logical approach, in order to make software extract the information we look for, independently from its position within the document. This may be done using Recogniform Reader, free-form engine. According to the kind of documents to process, a zonal or a free-form template will be required. A template is the set of rules and instructions to capture information from a specific form, or from a class of documents. Templates configuration is made using Recogniform Application Designer, a powerful tool that allows to easily configure and customize recognition templates. To get more details about Recogniform Application Designer, look at the Designer Tutorials section. In the next videos, we'll talk about documents optimization and image processing. Then, we'll focus on Recogniform Reader versions available, single application, client-server, and SDK. If you want to be up to date on Recogniform tutorials, please subscribe to Recogniform tutorial channel or contact us for more information.